Welcome everyone. This video is meant for CBSE students of class 12. I am going to discuss in this video a topic from their English syllabus, and the name of the topic is the third level, written by the writer Finney. It is to be noted that the topic will be discussed in the video from CBSE examination point of view. This lesson, the third level by Finney, is the first lesson of the supplementary book Vistas prescribed by CBSE for class 12. To introduce the topic, this is a prose on the concept of reality versus fantasy. Reality means the actual state of existence, and fantasy is something of imagination. Before we get into the topic, let's know something more on the writer Finney. Finney was an American author. He worked for an advertising agency, and he was writing on science fictions and thrillers. His well-known works are The Body Snatchers. The most important award given to him was the World Fantasy Award. This lesson is based on a delicate theme, and the delicate theme is modern reality versus fantasy. And another theme is also there, escapism. Escapism means getting away from reality. The justification is everyone in modern time searches for happiness in life, and everyone wants to stay in the past because past is believed to be peaceful and past is believed to give security. Now, talking about the character, there are three predominant characters. The protagonist or the main character is Charlie. Charlie is a young man of 31 years, and he portrays modern realism and escapism. Another character is Sam Winner. He is a friend of Charlie, and he is by profession a psychiatrist. Psychiatrist is a doctor who treats the patients of mental disorders. And the third character is Lucia. Lucia is the loving wife of Charlie. Let's have an understanding of what the levels are. This is an American story, and in American context, the first level means a sort of platform for long distance trains. Second level is platform for, you can say, the local train. And third level is a hypothetical or disputed platform. Railway authorities, they do not agree to the existence of this third level. They say in American railway system only there are two levels existing, first level and the second level. Here is a line from the text, and from the text you can very well know the opinion of the railway authorities. The first level, where you take the trains like the 20th century, then the second level, where the suburban trains leave from. Railway authorities that do not agree to the existence of this third level. They say there are only two levels existing. But Charlie, very strongly he confirms that yes, there is the existence of the third level because he had personally gone to the place. And after visiting the place, he had informed his friend Sam Winner about it. Here is a line from page number 1. This line tells us how the railway authorities they react the existence of two levels. Here is the line. The presidents of the New York Central and the New Haven and Hartford railroads will swear on a stack of timetables that there are only two levels existing. The New Haven, Hartford railroads, these are the railway boards, like the different railway zones in India. Charlie, on the other hand, he contradicts the affirmation of the railway authorities. He says that yes, he personally has experienced the existence of the third level, and Grand Central Railway Station is the proof thereof. After hearing the story from Charlie, this was the reaction of Sam Winner, the psychiatrist. Sam Winner said that yes, Charlie was an unhappy person in his professional life. That is why he was thinking of escaping from tortuous reality, and that is why he was fantasizing, imagining many things. Sam Winner was also trying to add something. Charlie was having stamp collection as his hobby. Stamp collection is a hobby which is taken to by the people to escape the tortuous reality of their life. Sam Winner says it was a waking dream wish fulfillment. When Charlie was talking about the existence of the third level, Sam Winner was saying it was a daydream on the part of this Charlie. Here is contradictory line given by Charlie. When Sam Winner says Charlie was having philately or stamp collection as the hobby to escape the modern reality of torture in life, Charlie says his grandpa was living at a time when there was no tension, nothing, but he was having stamp collection is his hobby. So here is the line, exact line quoted from page number 1. My grandfather didn't need any refuse from reality. Things were pretty nice and peaceful during his time. In other words, Charlie is trying to refuse the logic put forth by Sam Winner that people take to philately to escape from the reality. In this page number 1, we find certain words. Words are psychiatrist. Psychiatrist is a doctor who treats mental disorders. And waking dream is a fantasy. Escape means to get away from, and refuse is to escape. Come to page number 2. In page number 2, Charlie is trying to narrate his story to justify that yes, there was the existence of third level. The story, as narrated by Charlie, is this. Charlie one day was thinking of getting away from his office early. That is why he was thinking of using train. So he went to Grand Central Railway Station of New York, and from there he was to go to his house. So he went to the second level of the railway platform. The second level dug into one semicircular doorway. Semicircular doorway was the entrance of the underground route. At the end of the route, he discovered himself at a new place. Charlie names this place as the third level. Charlie also shares his experience. Many times earlier, he had also lost his way, but this time, losing his way and discovering himself at a new place, there was something peculiar. Here is a line from the text. Charlie says, I decided to take the subway from the Grand Railway Station. Subway means underground route. In page number 2, here are a few words. Let us try to know their meanings. Apartment is a residential accommodation in high-rise buildings. Turn means yellowish brown color. Flight means step. Docking means moving to. Tunnel means circular route. Here is the description of the appearance of the third. At the third level, the rooms were smaller compared to the rooms at the Grand Railway Station. Less number of ticket counters were there at the third level railway station. The information booth at the third level was also old looking, and the people, those who were there, they were wearing green eye shade. The roadside lamps were having oil, and that is why they were flickering. Here is a line from page number 3 where description about the appearance of the third level is given. There were fewer ticket windows and train gates, and the information booth in the center was wood and old looking. In page number 3, here are the words. Let us try to know their meanings. Angling. Angling means turning. Sleeve. It is a part of a dress. Flickering means unsteady light. Adding to the description, Charlie says, at the third level, brass spittoons were there. People at the third level were old-fashioned. Their dress, their behavior, everything was indicating that they were not refined in their outlook. The railway engines which were found at the third level were old and primitive. They were made by the railway Courier and Ives. Courier and Ives, it is a railway engine manufacturing company. The date, as found in the newspaper, the date was 11th June 1894. In other words, the description of the primitive type of look of this third level that is being presented by Charlie. Charlie again is adding one line here, which this line is an extract from page number 4. Everybody in the station was dressed like 1890 something, old fashioned. Charlie is adding another experience of his own. The place was of course peaceful, where activities are less. He wanted to purchase 2 tickets for the place Galesburg. Galesburg was a beautiful place, but what happened to him? When he tendered his dollar, modern dollar note was not received by the counter clerk. Counter clerk was receiving all the old-fashioned notes, old-fashioned coins. So Charlie could not purchase the ticket which he wanted to purchase for his wife and for him to go to Galesburg, Illinois. And here is the reaction of the counter clerk. That's not money, mister, he said. And if you are trying to skin me, you won't get very far. Skin me means cheat me. This is sort of reaction, angry reaction given by the counter clerk. Why Charlie wanted to go to Galesburg? Here is the justification. Galesburg was a beautiful town. Big old frame houses were there. Many trees, big trees were found at the Galesburg, and they were roofing or overhanging the streets. And summer evening at Galesburg, there was also quite enchanting, quite enjoyable. For that reason, Charlie wanted to go to Galesburg. In page number 4, we find certain words. Let's try to know the meanings of these words, like the spittoons. Spittoons means container for spitting. Locomotive means train engine. Tremendous trees means impressive trees. Leading story means important story. Charlie returned from third level, but he was interested to purchase 2 tickets to go to Galesburg. He wanted to exchange $300. He exchanged his $300 and got old currency, and he wanted to go to third level once again. This time, Charlie was not able to find this third level. And here, Charlie is reading one line out of his own personal experience. Charlie says, but I have never again found this corridor, this third level, that led me to third level at the Grand Railway Station, although I have tried often enough. After hearing the details of this third level, Lucia, Charlie's wife, was a bit annoyed. Lucia was tense with these third level details, and Lucia was pressurizing her husband not to think of going to third level once again. And both of them were interested in philately, stamp collection. And all of a sudden, Sam, the psychiatrist friend of Charlie, he was found missing. He was not found in his own place, native place. Sam was traced at Galesburg in the year 1894. In other words, Galesburg was the place where this Sam Weiner had moved to, and that is where he was at that point of time in 1894. Here in page number 5, Charlie is adding up a new thing for our experience, for our information, for our knowledge. Charlie says, while going through the stamps, one day he found a fast day cover. Charlie got the fast day cover, and inside the fast day cover he got a letter, and this letter was written by Sam. Of course, Sam from Galesburg, he had written a letter to Charlie in Charlie's grandfather's address. Sam Weiner, in his writing, he had made it clear that he had come to third level. He was also having a new business there, and that writing was there in the fast day cover. Charlie, after reading the writing of Sam Weiner, he was sure that third level was existing. In CBSE exam, this question comes, what is a fast day cover? Here is a line which will be helping you to find the answer to this question. When a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy some stamps and use them to mail envelopes to themselves on the very first day of the sale. This is fast day cover. Now in page number 5, let us try to find the meanings of certain words. Like bills means currency note. To scheme means to cheat. Premium means extra amount. Cents means 1/100th of a dollar. First day cover, which was discovered by Charlie, and the first day cover was sent by Sam Weiner, it proved that there was the third level existing. In this envelope, there was a request from Sam to Charlie that Charlie should move to this third level with his wife so that they would together have the good time. And here is the exact line as written in the letter by Sam. Come on back, Charlie and Lucia. Keep looking till you find the third level. It's worth it, believe me. It's such a wonderful place. Now in page number 6, there is one idea relating to flight of time. Muttonman is kept always stressed. Muttonman requires an escape, and fantasizing provides a relief. Writer is trying to add this line to bring us perfect idea about the flight of time. Modern world is full of insecurity. Modern life is full of fear, war, worry. That I just want to escape. These are some words in this page. Let us try to know their meanings. Postmark, postal stamping. Porch means a portico. Keep looking means search for. Here the lesson comes to an end, and there is a great message coming out of this lesson. In order to escape from the miasmic world, fantasizing becomes a necessity. Here is the end of the lesson. Question answers relating to the lesson will be supplemented in the next video. Thank you for watching.